Hello friends, I am Manish Tope. Today's video topic is a static keyword in Java. So we can see static keyword. The static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variables, methods, blocks and nested classes. Then the static keyword belongs to the class than an instance of the class. We can see the static can be static variable, also known as a class variable. Methods, also known as the class methods. Then block nested class. Then first one is a Java static variables. If you declare any variables as static is known as static variable. Then the static variable can be used to refer to the common property of all objects, which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name of employees, college name and student, etc. Then the static variables gets memory only once in the class area at the time of the class loading. Then advantages of static variables, it makes your program memory efficient. Then that is it saves the memory. Then second one is just Java static method. If you apply static keyword, then with any method, it is known as a static method. Then a static method belongs to the class rather than the object of a class. A static method can be without the need for the creating an instance of a class. A static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. Then restrictions for the static methods. There are two main restrictions for the static methods. They are the static methods cannot use the non-static data member or call non-static methods directly. This and super cannot be used in the static context. Then 5 is the Java main method static. Then we see it is because the object is not required to call a static method. If it were a non-static method, JVM creates an object first then call the main method. That will lead to problem of extra memory allocation. Then we see Java static block. It is used to initialize the static data member. Then it is executed before the main method at the time of the class loading. Then can we execute a program without main method? One of the ways was the static block, but it was possible till JDK 1.6. Since JDK 1.7 it is not possible is executed a Java class without the main method. Then can a class be static in Java? The some classes can be made static in Java. Java supports static instance variables, static methods, static blocks and static classes. Java allows a class to be defined with another class. These are called nested classes. The class in which the nested class is defined is known as the outer class. Unlike top level classes, inner classes can be static. Non-static nested classes are also known as the inner classes. An instance of an inner class cannot be created without an stand of the outer class. Therefore, an inner class instance can access all of the members of its outer class without using a reference to the outer class instance. Then for this reason, inner classes can help make program simple and consecutive. Then we see Java static variables. If you declare any variables as the static, it is known as static variable. The static variable can be used for refer to the common property of all objects. Then Then the company name, one example, the company name of employees, college name of students, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in the class area at the time of the class loading. That is called, this all about the static keyword. Thank you.